From the Bob Mills Weather Center, the Oklahoma weather expert, Alan Crone.
Light winds right now, but winds are picking back up midday through afternoon. It's going to be a gusty wind day. Second half of the week, stronger winds. Friday has the potential to be a flat-out windy day. We may have some wind advisories for part of the area Friday, but today, gusty south winds returning 15 to 25. Sunshine early and high clouds late. High clouds are ice crystals in the upper part of the atmosphere. Usually a signal that there's a system on the way. That will be the case for late tonight and early tomorrow. So a high of 75, 76, in that range. We're going to have breezy weather today, breezy tomorrow. Storm chances starting to show up. The potential for severe weather threats Friday afternoon, Friday night. As we mentioned a couple of minutes ago, we call these a highly conditional severe threat because the cap, the layer of warm air aloft, may suppress some of this from happening. But if they do develop Friday afternoon, Friday night, they would be severe. The front pushes through early Saturday. The weekend looks pretty good for most of it. But by Sunday night into early Monday, we're going to have more rain and storm chances. So our probability early tomorrow morning, a few scattered showers and storms, nothing too significant. Early Friday morning, we may have one or two. Now, that's not the system. That's ahead of the system. And then these probabilities Friday late, kind of into pre-dawn Saturday. Probability is not exceptionally high. It's not zero either. But again, if they do develop, would be severe. And we get into Sunday night and Monday, we have more rain and storm chances. So early tomorrow morning, this is a moderate chance for some scattered showers and storms. And even within this area, it won't be in all spots. There'll be some locations that'll still miss out. Thursday afternoon, this is the severe weather risk assessment. So a couple of storms in far western Oklahoma could be strong to severe. And as they move eastward, we have a couple of those that may kind of float into the area for late Thursday night and early Friday morning. But this is still just a slight chance area-wide. A couple of showers and storms starting to develop. And then we have the opportunity for severe weather. This is the severe weather risk assessment for Friday. And again, it is positioned right across our area. So if storms do develop Friday, especially Friday afternoon, Friday night, all modes of severe weather would be a possibility. But the cap, the layer of warm air loft, may suppress storms from developing across all of the areas. So right now, this is going to be represented by a slight chance for storms for that Friday night time period. But if they develop, they would be severe. Saturday, severe weather threats are going to be pushed away from our area. So 48 right now, south breeze at 5 miles per hour. These are current temperatures, 40s and 50s out the door. So it's a little better than yesterday at this hour, but it's still kind of cool. Hour by hour, 60 at 10 o'clock, sunshine, 67 at noon, and then 74 to 75 for the afternoon. 7, 8, 9 o'clock tonight is going to be in the 60s, and it will be breezy. So 75 to 76 today, mid to upper 70s tomorrow. We have a chance for a few showers and storms tomorrow morning, mostly north. And then it's a Friday afternoon, Friday night. There's a probability that is conditional. If that cap holds, it would limit severe weather potential. If it breaks, we're going to have some severe storms Friday evening. Early Saturday, the front pushing away from the area. I think Saturday and Sunday is mostly good, but Amy, Sunday night into Monday, more showers and storms starting to return.